Converting a Figma design to Webflow involves a few steps to ensure a seamless transition from design to a fully functional website. Here's a concise guide. Prepare your Figma design. Organize your design in Figma with clear layers, groups, and naming conventions. Ensure all components and styles are well defined. Export assets. Export images, icons, and other assets from Figma. Use the export panel in Figma to save these assets in appropriate formats and resolutions. Set up a Webflow project. Log into Webflow and create a new project. Choose a blank canvas or a template that matches your design needs. Build the structure. Use Webflow's designer to create the layout. Start by adding sections, containers, and div blocks to replicate the Figma design structure. Add styles and typography. Define global styles for fonts, colors, and spacing to match your Figma design. Use Webflow's style panel to set these properties consistently across your project. Import and place assets. Upload the exported asset to Webflow's asset manager. Place images and icons into the appropriate elements on the canvas. Create interactions and animations. Recreate any interactions or animations from your Figma prototype using Webflow's interactions panel. This includes hover effects, scroll animations, and transitions. Responsive design. Ensure your site is responsive by adjusting styles and layout for different breakpoints in Webflow. Test and publish. Preview your site to ensure it matches the Figma design and functions as expected. Once satisfied, publish your site to make it live.